recognition, we have the Environmental Quality Advisory Board's Environmental Achievement Recognition Award. And we have Tammy Bossy, Vice Chair, and Natalie Chrisman Lazar, a board member, here with us today. And we have the presentation of the award. You're going to speak toward it if... Okay.
Be the mayor. Okay. All right. Get my little computer up here. Hopefully they're... And here we go. Good evening. Mayor and Council, thank you for having us here tonight. We're excited, very excited, to share the results of the Environmental Achievement Recognition Award. And my name is Tammy Bossy, and I am the Vice Chair of Environmental Quality Advisory Board.
And I'm Natalie Chrisman Lazar. I am on the board.
So some of the benefits of this award are that it fosters beneficial partnerships with city-based businesses and organizations. It encourages environmental programs which enrich the lives of our residents, and it publicly recognizes exemplary environmental achievements. Since small business is a big part of our economy, tonight we're very pleased to recognize this small business with a big impact.
ECAB's award recipient, Witnessing Nature and Food, is an all-organic catering company providing locally sourced, cleanly made food. At the helm of Witnessing Nature and Food is eco-conscious chef Jennifer Johnson. Jennifer is an example of business leaders doing business better in a way that is healthier for people and for the planet. She has followed her heart and higher values and has, in the process, blazed a trail for those of us who want to learn how to minimize waste and incorporate eco-friendly practices into our business and be profitable at the same time. Chef Jennifer's leadership is a key reason why we are recognizing her company today.
Since bond rating agencies are now considering cities' sustainability focus in the bond pricing and ranking, it is good for our community that we are raising awareness and recognizing the importance of sustainability and long-term forward thinking in all sectors. With Moody's noting that investors want to know that their 20-year based bond investment is made with cities that show evidence of planning proactively 20 years down the road, visionary leadership that thinks long-term is essential. Sustainability-focused policy and procedures are inherently long-term thinking and for government and for business. Along with government, business that integrates eco-conscious practices and products today are signaling to investors that they're also thinking long-term and will be more attractive to investors and customers tomorrow and 20 years from now. Jennifer took the extra business risk of being an early adopter, eco-conscious business practices. Let's take a moment to note that purchasing policies do have power. And by requiring the use of cleaner products, the ingredients in her business, she also impacts the purchasing all the way down the chain. Jennifer took the extra effort to pursue ways to purchase local food and product sources that have earth-friendly practices. Some of those process requirements include local sourcing, organic, healthier ingredients, green cleaning products, recyclable and compostable serving products, recyclable and recycled business materials, and a commitment to minimize landfill at waste at every level. Business with a culture of social responsibility can be an important part of solving many of our societal challenges. Leadership really does matter, and the choices that we make in business and government, such as this business tonight.
Another way that Witnessing Nature and Food distinguishes itself is in the realm of environmental education. You remember the old adage, give a person a fish and you feed him for the day, teach someone to fish and you feed them for a lifetime. That saying is relevant to how Chef Jennifer extends the impact of her business from serving her customers eco-conscious food to teaching all of us how to make sustainable choices at home and in our workplaces. Witnessing Nature and Food makes a significant impact in our community by sharing what the company has learned in terms of environmental awareness resources, using green cleaning products, and how to reduce waste. Chef Jennifer partners with Mission Montessori to supply healthy school lunches and teach the joy of composting to children. She also teaches a healthy eating on a budget class at the nonprofit organization New Leaf. Fundamentally, witnessing nature and food is educating others about being eco-conscious in our daily interactions. Chef Jennifer's example shows us that it is possible to create a business, be an employer that serves a growing market of customers craving a healthier product with a higher purpose.
So some quick statistics. Food waste accounts for about 22% of all waste that's landfilled, and it's the single largest source of municipal waste. Methane released by food in the landfill is a greenhouse gas that is up to 86 times more harmful than carbon dioxide in terms of global warming potential. Wasted food is also an enormous waste of all the natural resources that were used to produce and transport that food. Wasted food squanders about 1/5 of the U.S. cropland, farming, fertilizer, and agriculture. And for example, 1 pound of beef requires 1,800 gallons of water, which is as much as a typical citizen would use for a week. Wasted food also contributes to climate change and is responsible for approximately 2.6% of all U.S. greenhouse gas emissions. Our municipalities think about waste a lot, right? To the business owners and operations managers out there listening tonight, here's a few questions to ponder. Do you think about the waste generated in your business and where it goes? Have you thought about the ways to reduce and reuse the amount of waste generated? Have you ever thought about redesigning your business operations to eliminate waste? And have you ever thought about changing your purchasing processes to use products that are more eco-friendly? The company that we're recognizing tonight has thought about this a lot. And she weaves the waste strategy into the processes, into the fabric of her business. Witnessing Food in Nature has a landfill diversion rate of 95% for 2018, and she exceeded that goal. Imagine what the benefits would be to our city residents if our overall landfill diversion rate was like Witnessing Food in Nature's results. She carefully chooses compostable serving items, works diligently partnering with Recyclable City to make sure that those serving items and the food is composted. She also has a zero food waste goal. And for example, she plans ahead, she reduces the food waste from the beginning and donates uneaten food to nonprofits. This is a reduction that is even better than composting. And one of her mottos is no trash left behind. When businesses have eco-conscious business practices that minimize landfill waste, there's less landfill waste to deal with.
For all the reasons we've highlighted tonight, Witnessing Food in Nature exemplifies sustainability and community stewardship. Our award recipient demonstrates that you do not have to be a large organization to make a positive difference for current and future generations. ECAB believes that both businesses and government can embrace the spirit of this award for the current and future well-being of our residents. In the city of Scottsdale, we can follow the leadership of our recognized recipient and commit to increasingly forward-thinking and often cost-saving waste reduction goals. We can make better, environmentally conscious choices when we plan and host city events. We can maintain our city's property in a manner that limits the amount of harmful toxins we use. We can consciously initiate purchasing systems that encourage sustainable practices and reward suppliers that promote healthier residents, a safe environment, and a thriving local economy that demonstrate Scottsdale's environmental leadership.
So with all of that, we are proud to present this award to Jennifer Johnson, founder and owner of Witnessing Nature and Food. And this very special custom-made award was designed and created and donated by artist Paul Diefendorfer. We're very fortunate. It is inspired by Witnessing Nature and Food's tree logo and fiddly made out of scrap metal and newspaper due to Jennifer's recycling ethic. We all win when we protect our ecosystem in conjunction with running our cities and our businesses. We hope that the spirit of this award inspires us as citizens, as the city, and as businesses in Scottsdale to embrace a higher level of stewardship in everything that we do.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Oh, okay, we get to join the picture.
Congratulations again, Jennifer. It's nice and nice recognition from our ECAB board. Thank you, ladies.